Hi you guys, it's Pepsi coming to you, and it's just going to be a little short review on this Hairinbeauty weave that I got in my head right now. I don't know the name of it, but it's called curly something, and right now I only have in 2 bundles, which is a 10-inch and a 12-inch. I bought it with my own money. It's a very nice cheap hair. It's good quality. Like, this is my 4th time ordering from this company, and this hair is better than the straight hair to me. This hair is very soft, it don't tangle, it don't shed. Like, the only bad thing I would say about this weave company is the closures. Like, they really don't put the closures. This is a closure right now. It's a 2x4. It's very small, and it's not really put on lace. The weave is not knotted on lace. It's knotted on some kind of material. It's not lace, because when I bleach the knots, it turns completely white and it will look like you have dandruff in your hair. Okay, I noticed from like different videos, when they bleach their knots, it kind of turn transparent. This do not turn transparent at all. It turns white. So take my advice and do not bleach the knots. But besides that, the closure was very thick and lovely. It's really nice. I just really love this hair. I don't sleep with no scarf on, no bayonet, no nothing on my head. I sleep as is, as natural as I can get. I sleep like this. I go to sleep like that, okay? So, this is like the natural state. This the comb that I use. It costs like $3 at the store, and I just comb through it. I haven't flat ironed my hair yet, and I don't plan on flat ironing my hair. I don't know if I told you. Once again, this is 2 bundles because I don't want my hair to be full. I want my hair to look as natural as a natural fullness. And to me, it looks very good for only 2 bundles. Look at, you see that? Okay, so just come through it. I really don't put no conditioner in my hair. I don't put nothing in my hair besides water. I got a little bowl right here, and all I do is just take it. I don't take a spray bottle. I don't know why, because I don't need one, because I got my hair. Y'all probably like, what the heck is on her face? Like, it's my mask. Y'all know how my face be looking all clear and clean and stuff. It's due to my mother freaking mask. You feel me? My own mask that I came up with myself. No, trial and error, trial and error. But yes, you see how curly it's getting just by throwing a few drops of water on it. You might catch me looking at myself, but look at that, beautiful. I don't know if you can really tell the difference. And then when it dries up, it don't get back fluffy. Like, this is me. I haven't combed my hair in like a whole day, so that's why it's so fluffy, because I haven't combed my hair. I haven't did anything to it yet. But do you see that? Let me get closer. Do you see that? Lovely. But that's all I do. I will purchase this hair again because I love it so much. Like, I love it so much, I really didn't even want to make this video because I wanted to keep this company to myself. You feel me? Now, you can add some curling activator to it, but, you know, lovely. You feel me? Let me get real close so y'all can see that. I really love this. Like, I really love this hair. Let me turn around for you. Shape. Lovely. Slow turn. Bam. Bam. You feel me? So, if y'all want some cheap hair and you don't gotta spend $200, $300. Go to Hairinbeauty and get y'all some mother freaking hair, okay? And it's gonna be a coupon. You can save $5, but they always have better coupons online. You can just see if they got a coupon whenever it's time for you to purchase your hair. But if you don't, you can always use my coupon code that's down below. Once again, I purchased this hair with my own money, okay? This is a real review because I don't like when people send you off, okay? But this is the end of the video. I really hope that y'all like this video. And if y'all want to purchase some of my masks, just let me know. But nah, I'm just playing. But yes,